Greetings of the day. I, Arun Devkar, Assistant Professor, Food Production Department from AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, would like to start with the topic called Equipments for Bulk Cooking. Objective: Introduction of quantity bulk equipments, list of equipments used in commercial kitchen, identify the use of the different commercial equipments and detailed information about equipments. Introduction: Commercial kitchen equipments needs to produce food for a large number of consumers. It needs to robust, durable and easy to operate. The equipment should consume less electricity, improve the productivity of food production operations, and must be eco-friendly. It should serve its purpose effectively. Most kitchen equipments are operated electronically. There is a wide range of cooking, cutting, baking, and cleaning equipment available for the kitchen. As we all know, in quantity, food preparation refers to the production of larger than normal volumes of food for a large group of people. In addition to the catering events, it is often used in healthcare and residential living facilities to cater to the client. The principle of quantity food preparation include kitchen organization and equipments must be required. List of equipment. Today we have to discuss this equipments called gas burners, oven, griddle, kettle, vegetable cutter or chopper, mixer, deep fat fryer, juicer, dishwasher, shredder. First equipment is burner. They are used for cooking, boiling and steaming. They often operate on liquid petroleum gas, that is also called LPG. Now induction burners and hot plates are available in the market which operates on electricity. They come with open top, mesh top or flat top. Burners are divided into two parts. Restaurant range. These are less expensive, good for less food volume and is stand alone. Heavy duty range. Expensive, suits a large volume of food production and can be banked with other ranges using a battery. Cooking ranges come with multiple burners, usually 4 to 8 burners depending upon the volume of food to be handled. Ovens. They are used for cooking, baking, roasting and browning. They operate either on LPG or electricity. There are various oven models such as rack oven with the option of rotating or steady rack, deck and tunnel, duplicating their shape and working style. Rack oven. It contains a set of stacked racks, often placed one above the other in tall stainless steel frame. This oven is good to produce large volume of food items such as breads, cookies and croissants. Deck oven. It contains rack or roasteries that can cook various meats such as chicken, duck, lamb, etc. simultaneously and evenly. They also come in baking deck and pizza deck variant. The number of deck are generally up to 4. Tunnel oven. It comes in direct heat and indirect heat variant. It is suitable for high temperature baking. There are number of ovens available in the market which vary according to the energy they consume. The manner of heating food sizes and shapes. Griddles. They are flat plates made out of iron, stainless steel and aluminium which transfer heat to the food. Griddle are prone to heat loss when the plate is partly unused. They are mainly used for preparing breakfast items such as omelets, scrambled eggs, patties, sandwiches, burger, and pancake. Normally, the grease needs to be wiped out occasionally from the surface to prevent tempering. In case of steel griddle, caramelization occurs if the surface is not kept clean. Teflon surface griddle are more durable and efficient for commercial kitchen use. Kettles. The kettles are used for cooking, warming, and storing food. They are two-layered pots, one inside the other with a gap between for steam. They are usually jacket, alligator, tilting for better view and food handling. The kettles have a product discharge that provides an efficient transfer to kettle to a service area without damaging delicate food items. Vegetable cutter or vegetable chopper. The cutters or choppers are used in cutting, dicing, shredding, and slicing vegetables in various shapes and sizes. They are also used to cut breads into small pieces or puddings or soup. Vegetable cutters or vegetable chopper. The, the cutters or chopper are used in cutting, dicing, shredding, and slicing vegetables in various shapes and sizes. They are also used to cut bread into small pieces for puddings and soups. The handled cutters are used for cutting fruits, salad, etc. for presentation. Cutters are made of either plastic or stainless steel. Some cutter come with single or multiple wheels with zigzag or plain edges. Some cutters have round small balls like shapes to cut round pieces of fruits. As we all know, in quantity bulk food production department, we will be required a number of too many vegetables will be required for bulk quantity food production. So this is a good example or good equipments which are usually cut the fruits or vegetables in a really limited time. Mixers. The overhead motor vertical mixer is mostly commonly used in commercial food production unit. Mixer are used for mixing and blending ingredients together. There are broadly two types of mixers available in the market: table mounted and floor mounted. Fryer. Some food items are prepared by immersing them in heated oil in a fryer. There are two basic versions of fryer: electric fryer and gas fryer. The frying time and oil temperature varies directly with the food type and size of the fryer. It consists of a fryer basket and heating elements and a control a fire. Juicer. Juicer extract juice and pulp from fruits and vegetables. It operates on electricity and speed up the juice production process. The fruit are added in the juicer from the top. It separates the juice and leftover peels and unused fiber from the fruit. There are three types of juicer. Centrifugal, it works by crushing fruits. It is quick and yield plant juice. Then masticating, it works longer to yield juice of a specified texture and consistency. Twin gear, it uses various gears and member to yield best quality juice of almost any food like carrot, tomato, or green leafy vegetable. It also helps to prevent oxidation of the juice. Dishwasher, it can wash multiple dishes and bowls simultaneously. It is automatic machine but needs human interaction for loading, use dishes, into the dish rack and unloading clean dishes after wash cycle. It eliminates a great efforts required for traditional dishwasher washing. There are two basic types of dishwasher. First one is door type. It is large machine. It can be cleaned from 50 to 125 dishes rack depending upon the size of the machine. Second one, under counter. It is smaller and can be fit under the kitchen platform. Shredders. A shredder cuts the fruits and vegetables into stirring like fine pieces, which are usually used in salads and vegetarian cookery. Thank you. Have a nice day.